Hello everyone, my name is Nick, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about Flowith.io. So this is an agentic AI workspace that connects your knowledge, creation and execution in a single flow. Right on the screen you can see how it looks like. Several people can work in a single workspace. Someone writing code, another person, for example, analyzing something right on the center, and other people do something else. To show you all the functionality of the website, I have to sign in my account. Let's do it. And boom, this is how it looks like in real life. On the main page, you can see the field where you can type something. It looks like in a different AI model, ChatGPT or DeepSeek or another one. Type here your idea, then select the necessary AI model. There are a lot of different AI models ranging from DeepSeek to Grok, so you can select the necessary one and then type your answer right here. Also, just below you can select the necessary AI mode, just chatting, image creation, video generation. If you would like to create a presentation, you can click on slides. If you want to create website, click on website, and you can also select Neo Agent. Let me show you how it looks like. For example, let's generate an image, select image. Now let me select the necessary AI model, for example, this one, and then type your prompt right in this field. Okay, and right here you already can see the result. So this is how the workspace looks like. So on the left side, you can see the menu. Here you can create a new flow. So if you click on it, you will create a new workspace. Also, you can see your flow library. If you click on it, you will see all your projects. Now let's move to the knowledge garden. Create knowledge base, upload content from your computer on the web into Flowith to begin building your personal knowledge base. Okay, finish. And there are 3 steps. Firstly, upload something, then AI processing, and after that, smart match. And of course, knowledge market. Here you can get for free something or just buy it, like this one. So you can buy this knowledge base for $3. So guys, also in the description I'm gonna leave the special code for you. Just paste it and use, and then you will get 4,000 free credits. By the way, the last thing that I would like to show you is a pricing tab. So if you would like to upgrade your plan, there are 4 plans. The first one is starter for $0 per month. So now we're using it. As you can see, you can get 300 credits for free, access to standard models, 5 concurrent tasks, 2 active devices, standard processing speed, and 5 daily nano-banana generations. The next plan is Pro for $16 per month. In this plan, you will get 22,000 credits, access to over 40 plus models, and other things. The third plan is Ultimate for almost $36 per month. And the last plan is Infinite for $350, so it's pretty expensive, but you will get really a lot of credits. Also, you can generate 10,000 images by using these models. So if you know how to monetize this plan, you can just get it and get all these features and models. It's pretty interesting. And just below you can see the compare of these plans. It was a short tutorial and review. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.